just a temporary measure. I'm deliberately overpowering it with another solar panel. Just see if we can wear in the gears wherever they are catching. I still think it's actually that blue plastic cam there. And I think because it's split where it goes onto the shaft, I think that's spread it a little bit, and I think that might be what's actually rubbing on the case of the gearbox. But I'm just going to leave it running. Like I say, see if it wears itself in. If it doesn't, then I'll have to take that off and file it down a bit where it's split, or 3D print a replacement. 3:45 in the afternoon. The sun has moved round to the side of the house. Still clouds. I'm still running it on that bigger solar panel just to wear it in. Hi guys, another update on the little solar rowing boat. I've been running it on this oversized solar panel to actually try and wear the bearings in and that. And it is quite interesting to see the amount of wear that has occurred. That's dust generated, where it's been running for quite a while in the sunlight. But I think I will see if I can 3D print a replacement for this one, because it's got that split in it. I mean, it's still working, but I think I'll see if I can 3D print a replacement. Well, my 3D printed cam works, but that bit of PLA was rubbish. You can see it's all gone rough around the edges. So it looks like I got the dimensions right anyway.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.